Hey guys, video service information here. Looking at a 2012 Kia Sportage today with a 2.4. Vehicle's got around 77,000 miles on it. The customer's complaint states that the transmission is really high before it shifts, loses power, happens mostly when going uphill. We'll come to find out the customer's complaint was a little bit misleading. The vehicle was towed in, so we never ever get to hear the engine run. The engine did crank, but no start. It sounded like I had no compression. Checked cylinders 1 through 4 and found 20 to 30 pounds of compression. Got that valve cover removed and noticed the timing chain had stretched on it. Got the front timing cover off, and you could see where it was hitting the bottom of the cover. You can see the scoring marks from the timing chain rubbing it, and you can see the timing chain tensioner is maxed out here. You can actually see where the chain was rubbing up against the oil squirter and took a good chunk of steel out of it. As far as oil varnish or sludge or anything, the engine was pretty clean. Didn't notice any heavy buildup. Looks like they did the regular maintenance on time. Luckily, the engine didn't jump time, so we're going to just be able to recommend a timing chain, guides and tensioner, and that oil squirter that got gouged out would need to be replaced. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.